I'm so full. I had, wait, what was it? Let me think. Oh yeah, I had pancakes for my my lunch, and I had donuts for my snack. So, and for breakfast I just had Special K. But I wonder what I'm gonna have for dinner. Probably something yummy again.
I've been watching this for like 8 hours.
Wait, you were watching that for 8 hours?
I've been sitting here. Well,
like when Terrence made a video on my channel?
I put the books back, but they didn't put anything else back. I'm sorry about it. Well, I don't give what I should say, so. Yay, Redbird!
Anyway.
Redbird scores!
I have an idea. Instead of Bluebird, baking dinner for me. Say it's supper too. But I gonna make it for him. So. What did Bomb do?
He pushed someone.
Oh, in the hockey game?
Yeah.
The hockey game that you can't really see over there? Oh, never mind. Okay, what are we gonna have for dinner? Something really good for you. Who is that?
The Blues.
What?
Bring them to bed.
It's not bedtime for him. I'm still making supper, so first you made Angry Birds bird.
But I'm having a little rest too.
Oh. And first you made an Angry Birds bird, and then you do this. Push on him. Ugh. Oh wait, so I gotta push on like this. And then he will eventually. And then he poops out egg. So we gotta make something with eggs. But this looks like a hat actually. Oh boy. Oh yeah, I forgot about the video, the hat. Yeah. Anyway, so we got an egg. So we made a pot to put it in the stew. This could be good. A Roblox box. Wait, with those mini characters in it. Okay. Here's the box. I gotta get opened. Gotta get it open. Okay. Got the box open. So first we add a little bit of eggs. And then we need this stick to spin it around Tom. Spin it around Tom. And I actually don't know how to cook. Because I'm only like 10. 11. I'm 12.
Yay! The Halifax YouTubers have won! Yay!
What? We won the Halifax YouTubers?
Yeah, you scored. The final 2 goals were in the third period at the same 30 seconds. By you, Yellowbird, and by Bubbles. But now, we gotta get the game going. Yay! We got 100 fans! Plus 3 goals! We got 115 fans! Yay! Go.
I'll just have to spring this up.
Congratulations!
Leave in the comments if my thing, my dinner looks yummy. And then we add a penny.
Bomb.
What?
Wait.
What's happening to Bomb? Alerts, Halifax YouTubers? Bomb? We have to continue without him, I think. Do we still have him in our team?
Did he cancel?
No, his contract ended. Now he's not gonna get like $1 million a day. Or $1,000, I'm not sure.
Well,
team.
So
Bomb, your contract has ran out.
now I just add this penny in it. Whatever.
25 games you got.
Or this little seed. And then I just there. That looks good. Right?
Okay, Bomb.
Looks good. Let me spin it up to exactly 30. So let me see. Done and done. Wait, I forgot something. It's really important to make eggs. I'm not gonna this. There. Now I just have to stir it up again. And now I just gotta find a plate to put it on for Bluebird's dinner. Oh, you also need to drink. Oh, this is hard. That's why.
Keep watching.
Okay, so I got the plate. Now I just gotta bring it to Bluebird. Wait. And then I just dump it.
No, Chuck! Chuck! No, you pushed someone. Now you're out.
Dump it on. And that equals an egg and a little bit of vegetables and some fruit for Bluebird. Bluebird, dinner is ready. You'll come. Do do do. You made me dinner? Can I eat it? Oh, gross, Yelbert! Gross! I hate it! I hate you.
Yelbert,
What?
can you help me with the books? I need to stack up some books for my game.
Well, here's my separate. Well, my drink, Bluebird.
Oh, and thanks for my notebook.
Uh,
You found my notebook. A free nickel!
What?
With my money. Anyway, follow me, Yellowbird. I need more books for this. I can't just get in. I can't find any more books. Let me see.
I hate Bluebird.
Why do I...
You just have to tie it up.
I know, but I need to look at the game. This virtual game is a big thing in my day.
Anyway,
Yay, I got a bet. Okay. Wait a second, I'll tell you.
I can't even see it. I can't even see it. It's too bright. Bluebird!
You scored again!
I scored?
Yeah, this is last night's game. This is last
Oh,
night's game, remember?
yeah. So I just made a drink that he better like. Because it's just water. Okay.
Can you help me, Yellowbird? I can't carry this.
I got this full of water.
Yeah,
Bluebird's gonna
water.
put it. Bluebird, your water's ready. Ooh, water. Water. What? It's empty! And there's a little bit of popcorn in there. Oh, dusty. Beep. Popcorn. Help!
Bluebird! Yellowbird, help! I can't carry this anymore!
Whoa, boy.
It's fixed now. I got my game going
It's
now.
terrible.
Hey! You know it takes I can't climb up here very good. Oh, there.
Bluebird.
And this is a TV that I gotta keep.
My mom only allows me to watch it once a week.
What?
And that's a Sunday. Or a Saturday.
Today's a Sunday.
Yeah. Oh, I just gotta watch this hockey game. Oh, Bomber scored. Red. Hey, Redbird scored.